When most people hear blockchain, they immediately think of Bitcoin. However, blockchain's potential extends far beyond just cryptocurrency. Like the internet, which initially facilitated the sharing of research papers, blockchain's true power lies in its ability to transform a vast array of industries and aspects of our lives. Imagine a world where trust is not based on intermediaries, but on a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof system. This is the promise of blockchain. By creating a decentralized and immutable ledger of transactions, blockchain technology is poised to revolutionize everything from healthcare to supply chains, voting systems, and beyond. The key to understanding blockchain's transformative power is its fundamental ability to establish trust in a decentralized manner. Traditional systems often rely on intermediaries such as banks, governments, or large corporations to facilitate transactions and maintain trust. Blockchain eliminates the need for these intermediaries by creating a shared, secure, and transparent record of transactions that all participants in the network can access and verify. This not only reduces costs and increases efficiency, but also enhances security and builds greater trust among parties. With each passing day, entrepreneurs, developers, and organizations worldwide are discovering new and innovative ways to harness the power of blockchain to solve real-world problems and create a more equitable, transparent, and efficient future. At its core, blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. Imagine a digital ledger distributed across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a record of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered. This inherent immutability is what makes blockchain so secure and trustworthy. In industries where trust is paramount, such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management, blockchain offers unprecedented levels of security and transparency. For example, in financial transactions, blockchain can eliminate the need for intermediaries like banks, reducing transaction fees and speeding up settlement times. Moreover, blockchain's decentralized nature makes it incredibly resilient. Unlike traditional databases that are stored in a single location, blockchain data is distributed across a network of computers. As we delve deeper into the specific applications of blockchain in the following sections, it's important to remember that this technology is still in its early stages of development. One of the most promising areas where blockchain technology is making significant strides is healthcare. In an industry plagued by data breaches, inefficiencies, and lack of interoperability, blockchain offers a secure and transparent platform for managing sensitive patient information, streamlining processes, and improving overall healthcare outcomes. Imagine a world where patients have complete control over their medical records, securely stored on a blockchain and accessible only with their permission. This would not only empower patients but also facilitate seamless sharing of information between healthcare providers, leading to more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatments. Blockchain can also play a crucial role in combating counterfeit drugs, a major problem in the pharmaceutical industry. By tracking the provenance of drugs from manufacturing to distribution, blockchain can help ensure that only authentic medications reach patients. By leveraging the power of blockchain, the healthcare industry can unlock new levels of efficiency, security, and patient empowerment. Supply chains are becoming increasingly complex, often spanning multiple continents, and involving a vast network of suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. This complexity creates opportunities for fraud, inefficiencies, and lack of transparency. Blockchain technology offers a solution by providing a shared, immutable record of every stage in the supply chain journey. Imagine tracking a product from its origin to the store shelf, with every step of the process recorded on a blockchain. This would enable businesses to verify the authenticity of products, prevent counterfeiting, and optimize inventory management. Consumers, too, could benefit from this transparency, knowing exactly where their products come from and how they were produced. Blockchain can also streamline payments and automate contract execution in supply chains, reducing reliance on intermediaries and minimizing disputes. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts coded on the blockchain, can automatically trigger payments and other actions when predetermined conditions are met. By embracing blockchain technology, businesses can build more resilient, sustainable, and ethical supply chains for the future. Section 5. Casting votes with confidence. Blockchain-based voting systems. The integrity of our democratic processes relies heavily on the security and transparency of voting systems. Blockchain technology offers a compelling solution to many of the challenges plaguing traditional voting methods, including voter fraud, manipulation, and lack of transparency. Imagine a future where voters can cast their ballots electronically with confidence, knowing that their vote is secure, anonymous, and tamper-proof. Blockchain-based voting systems can eliminate the need for physical polling places, reduce the risk of fraud, and provide verifiable audit trails. By leveraging blockchain's immutability and transparency, election officials can ensure the accuracy and integrity of vote counts. As technology advances and concerns around security and accessibility are addressed, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize voting and strengthen democratic processes worldwide. Section 6. Beyond crypto, exploring other promising applications. Beyond these prominent examples, blockchain's influence is already evident in various sectors. In the realm of intellectual property, blockchain can create immutable records of ownership for digital creations, from music and art to inventions and scientific discoveries. This can help protect creators' rights and ensure they are fairly compensated for their work. Furthermore, blockchain is transforming how we manage our identities online. Decentralized identity solutions built on blockchain can give individuals greater control over their personal information, reducing the risk of identity theft and fraud. Imagine having a secure digital identity that you control, eliminating the need for multiple usernames and passwords across different platforms. In the nonprofit sector, blockchain can enhance transparency and accountability in charitable donations. By tracking donations on a blockchain, organizations can demonstrate impact and build trust with donors, ensuring that funds are used for their intended purpose. Section 7. The Transparency Imperative. Blockchain's role in building trust. In an era marked by growing distrust in institutions and information overload, transparency is paramount. Blockchain technology has the potential to usher in a new era of transparency, where information is readily accessible, verifiable, and trustworthy. By creating a shared, tamper-proof record of transactions or data, blockchain allows for unprecedented levels of transparency. This can be particularly beneficial in industries where trust is essential, such as finance, government, and supply chain management. For instance, in supply chains, blockchain can provide consumers with visibility into the origins of products, ensuring ethical sourcing and fair labor practices. As blockchain adoption grows, we can expect to see a shift towards greater transparency and accountability across various industries. Section 8. Efficiency Unleashed. Streamlining processes with blockchain. Beyond transparency and security, blockchain technology offers significant potential for improving efficiency and streamlining processes across industries. By automating tasks, reducing reliance on intermediaries, and eliminating paperwork, blockchain can unlock new levels of productivity and cost savings. For example, in financial transactions, blockchain can facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border payments, eliminating the need for correspondent banks and reducing settlement times from days to seconds. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses operating in the global marketplace. In supply chain management, blockchain can optimize inventory management, reduce waste, and streamline logistics by providing real-time visibility into the movement of goods. As businesses and organizations embrace blockchain technology, we can expect to see significant improvements in efficiency and productivity across various sectors. Section 9. Challenges and Opportunities. Navigating the blockchain landscape. Despite its immense potential, blockchain technology is not without its challenges. Scalability remains a significant hurdle, as current blockchain networks struggle to handle the volume of transactions required for widespread adoption. Moreover, regulatory uncertainty surrounding blockchain technology poses a challenge for businesses and investors. Clearer regulations are needed to foster innovation and provide legal certainty for blockchain-based applications. Furthermore, the need for technical expertise and the complexity of implementing blockchain solutions can be a barrier to entry for some organizations. Despite these challenges, the opportunities presented by blockchain technology far outweigh the risks. Section 10. The future is decentralized blockchain's transformative potential. As blockchain technology continues to evolve and mature, its transformative potential will only become more apparent. We can expect to see blockchain integrated into various aspects of our lives, from how we vote and manage our identities to how we interact with businesses and governments. The rise of decentralized applications, dApps, built on blockchain platforms is already disrupting traditional business models and creating new opportunities for innovation. These dApps offer greater transparency, security, and user control than their centralized counterparts. Furthermore, the convergence of blockchain with other emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, promises to unlock even greater potential for disruption and innovation. Imagine AI-powered smart contracts negotiating complex agreements on the blockchain or IoT devices, securely transmitting data and triggering payments via blockchain-based systems. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the blockchain revolution. Blockchain technology is more than just a buzzword or a niche technology confined to the world of cryptocurrency. It is a fundamental innovation with the potential to transform industries, empower individuals, and reshape our digital future. From healthcare and supply chain management to voting systems and beyond, blockchain's impact is already being felt across various sectors. As we have explored in this essay, blockchain's key attributes, transparency, security, efficiency, and decentralization, make it a powerful tool for building trust, streamlining processes, and creating new possibilities. By embracing the blockchain revolution, we can unlock a more equitable, transparent, and efficient future for all.